Give it to me.
Come
Don't you
on.
dare. Hey,
Middle one right now.
right here.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, now here.
Now the middle one.
Come on, baby. Right here. It's so early, too. This is great. Come on. Please don't die on me.
We need the fucking middle one.
It's gonna die, bro. It's dying on us. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that gonna pay?
This will pay. Yes, this will fucking pay.
Nice! Let's go! Come on, more! Way more! I'm being greedy, bro. Oh, sensational! Nice! Let's go! Holy fuck! That's what I'm fucking talking about, fellas. There we go. Yeah, baby, come on. Show me premiums right now, please. Come on, premiums all the fucking way right now. Fucking go, man. 48K. That's what I'm talking about. Hey,
Great win.
still owes us much more?
We're gonna go with that one with 4 scatters. Tennis on Xbox. No, it's not. Oh my god, it's not tennis on X. It's a real world, real life tennis. I played tennis for fun with friends. Don't need trainer. Yeah, but I've never. I don't know how to play, so I need a trainer. Tell me the start. You look tired. You have quite some dark rings under your eyes. Do you sleep enough? No, I'm a streamer. We don't sleep enough. Alright, nice. Good hit. Hey, Blue Dogs! Oh my god! Hey! Nice! Nice, nice, nice. Holy shit, this game is so beautiful. That's actually a really good 4 scatter bonus. Usually the 4 scatter bonuses are disgusting. But here we are, 159,870 open up your golden satchel. Ha!
Just be a little buffering, that's all.
Oh, nice. Go on. Come on, baby.
Oh, nice. Come on.
Beauty,
come on.
bro.
So I got 10 left.
You have 10 left? Keep going, please. I'm coming, baby.
There's 6 spins to go.
Holy fuck! Oh, holy shit!
Come on!
Brother, we have fucking 30 minutes in that now! Oh, wow! I can't breathe.
I can't.
Holy fuck, bro! Holy shit! Let's go!
Fucking go, kid.
Bang! It's all profit, buddy!
It's all deriving from here! Oh, it's 100K to at the end there. Holy shit.
1.1 unbelievable! And a play
Brother, I
going down! Holy fuck, that didn't last long!
I don't.
When a big win comes, we're fucking that clip up!
Look at that thing, bro.
Holy fuck!
Yet. We need what? We need the houses.
Okay, alright.
A lot of them.
Give us some houses.
Hello?
Hello? It's not too late, it's not too late.
Come on!
Oh! Come on! 10 spins, lots of spins! Can I help? Okay, come on, more. Come on, baby.
Fourth one. We need the fourth one.
Yeah, we need it right here. Badly. Come on, baby. Lots of spins left still. Come on, there's still time. Please.
Come on, now.
Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be a mega. It's gonna be a mega. It helps. It helps. Remember, we did have 19 spins though. I was kind of hoping for a little bit of an overachiever. Not bad at all, guys. 31.
Drop the fucking house.
Okay. Nice.
Well, it's okay, but not the...
Hey, come on now. Full screen of Roddy's right now.
One more, come on. Oh, this will pay.
That's gonna pay some. Oh yeah. Bang. We'll take that, baby. Let's go. Hey. Oh, not all the way, but it's fucking great. 53K, guys. Remember, holy fuck, dude. What a hit. Huh?
I said I was gonna zing it at the wall. I'm gonna put one all over. So fast. Injecting. Back in your asshole.
Ow. Can't even comprehend what just happened, bro.
Baby. Let's go! A lot of it.
Unbelievable. $1,700X. Holy fuck, bro. So that plant is fucked.
Looking for a round two with it, I'll be honest with you.
Come on, multi's here, maybe.
Huge. Oh, wait, wait, let's fight it. The tens didn't go.
Great hit, great hit.
Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going!
Oh my god! Hey! Oh my god!
Oh! Please!
Please, Monty!
Oh, was about to be nuts, dude. Another multi there.
Oh my goodness, bro. This is that hunt we've been waiting for, bro. This is it. This is the one. This is the one where we fucking double this goddamn balance.
Come on.
I'm calling 2 mil.
Lose my breath.
2 million. Holy fuck, dude. Wow. Johnny's got that